So we just got done with some desayuno, which is breakfast at a fonda, which is like a little mom and pop place to eat. We had some hojaldra, which is like a little fried dough, kind of thin, really good, really simple.
Fried flatbread kind of.
Yeah, with some tasty chicken, and 4 people ate, and it was 7 and change for all of our meals, so, and pretty filling too.
See you in Portobelo.
Over and out.
Today we're going to the Caribbean port town of Portobelo, which was founded in 1597. Christopher Columbus gave it that name, meaning beautiful harbor, in 1502. I only got 4 hours of sleep last night, so I have been taking a really nice nap. And everybody on the van has gone inside to go buy beer and snacks. I'm just gonna take a little bit longer of a nap, and we're gonna get to Portobelo soon. In 1980, these Spanish fortification ruins were designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The nice part about being on a private tour with Marie from your Panama Tours is that you can stop at random places along the way to fit your desires. A few members of our group wanted to stop in at the Congo House of Culture, or Casa de la Cultura Congo, to check out the art gallery.
There's nothing that is too late for. I love the cold into my warm hand in the sun.
Well, we are right now in cultural art building in Portobelo. You can see all the art that the different artists here in Portobelo have painted. Gustavo is the main one, which is in that far corner wall, and his father and his brothers. And this lady is the one that's in charge.
Do you mind? Is it okay?
Hello.
And she's in charge of this little art gallery.
Ariel is
Linda.
another of the artists.
He's one of the other artists.
Hola.
Ariel. Hola, Ariel.
¿Cómo estás?
Hello, sir.
¿Cuál es
Hola.
tu pintura, Ariel?
Hola.
¿Esa?
Esa.
That one with the feathers. And this one.
Y la mujer, enséñale que tiene más.
You can see behind the artist and Marie that she's putting on a coat of polyurethane on a headboard. That's a headboard, man.
Nightstands for front of them.
Y entonces yo cuento la historia o...
He tells the story in his
de una
painting.
manera más abstracta.
And it's more abstract, his stories.
Son diseños, estos aquí son...
They wear the designs on the clothing. Y el de allá.
Sí, es casi todo lo mismo, pero a la vez lo principal es que esto es como una ceremonia de inmortalización al cayuco, que es uno de los elementos más importantes de la cultura.
El cayuco.
El cayuco sirve para la pesca, para la agricultura, es parte de la vida cotidiana.
So the cayuco this is a resemblance of it too, of the cayuco boat, because that means a lot to them. It's for fishing, transportation. Cayuco with the paddle.
Entonces ya
So here,
Pero ellos fueron los que buscaron esto.
so here, here,
Yo nada más sé
around up in
de la
here,
tienda que está en
and
Campo.
down to
La
here,
señora
and
lo vende,
here,
pero no sé de-
and then here, and here. Hola.
Hey.
Our next stop is at the Roman Catholic Parish Church of Iglesia de San Felipe, which is the home of Cristo Negro, or Black Jesus, a wooden statue of Jesus Christ.
But the Black Christ statue fell off the ship into the water. So they took him out and brought him here, and this is the town's Christ. This is who they worship. They have a procession every year, October 21st. There's people that come from all over Panama on their hands and knees crawling to come to see him. They take him out They put him on one of these platforms and walk him through the town.
That's him up there.
Today was quite beautiful on the island of Portobelo. We had a corvanero frito, which was sea bass that's fried, and it came with arroz con coco, which is coconut rice, and it was the best coconut rice that we've had in all of Panama. I can't tell you. I just come to my kitchen when we get home and I will cook it for you, hopefully, but we don't have the coconut in the States that they have here. It was absolutely delicious. The salsa picante, the hot sauce that came with it, was fantastic. Very flavorful, good Caribbean chilies, and just all around a great day. Like, just look. I want to get on your shoulders. We do this all the time.
Wait,
Come
like
on.
stand?
Stand, yeah. All right. We've never done this in the ocean. We've only ever done it on a pool, and I think I might be drowning Jordan right now. All right, you're really slippery from the sunscreen.
Okay.
Woo! Great success, first time doing it in a very long time. High five. We had such a relaxing day in Portobelo and on Isla Grande. The people of Panama usually make everything seem so chill, and today was no different. We will see you next time in our very last video from our Panama series, where we tour Panama City and visit the old town of Casco Viejo. See you next time.
Alright.
It happens all the time. So.
You a faller?
Oh yeah, I'm clumsy as hell.
Did you just
Oh,
get,
bummer.
Oh, no. Did
Oh,
you
well.
just get like
Oh,
a hitch?
it's fine. My foot got caught on the boat. I fall all the time, so I'm a clumsy person.
We'll put it on this plate right here. Here, we're gonna do this. Open all the shades on. He's like, okay, I stole my friend.
Thor bear.